So we are still in the book Speak Out Pre-Intermediate. Now before anything else, I would like to ask you a few questions. So you can pause the video so that you'll have time to answer my questions, okay? So question 1, have you ever made a terrible mistake? Tell me about it. And question 2, have you ever made a difficult situation? And tell me about it as well. Okay, so after answering those questions, we will now continue with today's chapter. It is 4.2 and the title for this chapter is Schools of Thought. Okay, now if you have your book with you, you can open it up to follow us with today's review. You can open on page 40. Okay, page 40. So, yep, let's try to start. Vocabulary is about education. Now we are going to try to discuss different subjects, okay? Right, so first subject is math. Okay, so math, we have many kinds of math like trigonometry, algebra, calculus, right? It involves plus, minus, times, and divide. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? So that is maths, okay, or math. Next is physics. Okay, physics, chemistry, and biology, they are included in the subject science. They are part of science subject. Okay, physics is actually, it involves like the law of gravity and trajectory, like that. Chemistry is about chemicals, right? Chemicals. Biology is the study of human body, okay? Next is geography. Okay, geography is the study of our world. Okay, so the map, all right? Next is RE, or religious education. Now it talks about religions. Okay, so Catholic, Buddhism, and Protestant, and so on, many other religions. Okay, next is drama or art class, right? So it's about arts. Okay, drawings, drama, stage plays, singings, music. Okay, all right. Next is history, of course, your history. Okay, so there is your country's history and world history. Okay, languages, right? So English, Vietnamese, Chinese, Spanish, so any other language that you learn. Okay, art. Yes, in drama and art. Okay, drama is sometimes with the art class. Okay, art, yes, drawings, paintings. Okay, music. Next is design and technology. So it's about the modern technology. Okay, computers and yes, laptop. It's actually involved in this one. IT, it means information technology. It's about programming and networking. Okay, and last one is PE, or physical education, right? Physical education, it's where we exercise, do sports, right? Basketball, football, okay, track and field, running, swimming, right? So that is PE. Now let's try to review the pronunciation of each and try to repeat after me, or you can read with me. Okay, so let's start. Maths, physics, chemistry, biology, geography, RE, or religious education, drama, history, languages, art, design and technology, PE, or physical education, IT, or information technology. Okay, now try to pause the video and rewind if you want to practice more on the pronunciation. Okay, so let's go to the part 2 of today's chapter. grammar part. So it is can, have to, and must. Okay, so can, have to, and must. All right. So for can, okay, can is something which is possible or allowed. Okay, so something that is possible or allowed, right? And of course, if it's not possible or not allowed, you use can't or cannot. Okay, for example, let's make a sentence. I can eat rice. Okay, it is possible. All right. I can go to Korea, so it is allowed. Okay, I can go there, right? Or cannot. I cannot fly. Okay, it is impossible. You cannot fly, right? Or you can say, I cannot eat 1 kilogram of meat. Okay, it's not possible because I can only eat like 300 grams of meat. That's my maximum limit. Okay, so not allowed. Maybe I cannot enter that room. Okay, it is not allowed, right? So try to make your own sentences. Okay, can and cannot. Okay, so next is must and have to. Okay, they are similar, must and have to. So they talk about rules or things that are necessary. Okay, you need to do it, you have to. For example, let's say must. Okay, I must go to class at 7:30, so I have to go there. Okay, or I must do my homework every day. Okay, right, so it's necessary. Okay, so I have to do my homework every day. It's the same thing, right? So I have to go to class at 7:30. Okay, so for negative, okay, mustn't is something that is not allowed. Okay, so for negative mustn't, must not, it is not allowed. For example, you must not go there. Okay, that means you should not go there. You mustn't go there. It's not good. Okay, all right. And don't have to is not necessary. Okay, for example, I don't have to go to class. It's not necessary. I don't have to go to class, but I can go to class. It's possible. Okay, it's not necessary, but it's possible. So I don't have to go, but I can go. Right? I don't have to eat all of it, but I want to eat it, so I will eat it. Okay, so like that. So don't have to and mustn't, it's a little different. Okay, and don't forget, if the subject is he or she, you need to change this to has to. Okay, he has to do that. He has to eat rice. Okay, she has to be here at 8:30 p.m. like that one. Okay, so try to make your own sentences. Can, cannot, have to. Okay, doesn't have to, don't have to, must, and mustn't. Okay, try to make your own sentences. It will always improve your English, of course. So you can pause the video and try to rewind if you want to review more. Okay, that's it for today. But before I let you go, I want to ask you a few questions. All right. So the first question is, what is or what was your favorite subject? And question 2, why do you like it? Okay, so you can comment your answers below, or you can tell me your answers personally by visiting me here in Royal English. Alright, so again, my name is Mark, and I'll see you in the next video.